back to Curls and Inspiration. My name is CURLYSU91, and if this is your first time, welcome to the family. So I hope you find something on my channel that helps you in your hair journey, and hopefully you consider to subscribe. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so today is wash day, and so I thought it would be a really good idea. And y'all, look, this is my hair with no product, like absolutely no product. This is after using my sweet potato henna DIY. I'll link that somewhere up here and down here for you. But I figured for this wash day, I would do a braid and curl for you guys. And I'm gonna be doing a braid and curl using one product today, and that's the Aunty Jackie's coconut cream recipe buttercream. I think this would be good enough. This is what it looks like. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that braid and curl for you, and I can't wait to see how the results come out. But let's just get into this, okay? Okay, so I think for this one, we're gonna actually make it a middle part. Now, I know I've said that in other videos and I changed my mind because I'm just like, I cannot commit to a middle part. But we're gonna commit today. And I'm gonna make this braid and curl a middle part hairstyle, okay? If I can get this to act straight. All right, that looks better. So I'm just gonna put the rest of my hair back and start with the front here. So I'm just gonna put that up in my hair. I'm gonna use a comb to make sure that everything is detangled, which it shouldn't be bad. Okay. All right. Okay, there's that. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it like normal. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it like normal. And then when I get close to the end of the braid, I'm just gonna put a nice curl on the end. All right. So like I'm to the end of the braid, I'm just gonna comb through that. And then I'm gonna use an elastic band. And as I said, you don't need an elastic band. I choose to put one, but that's up to you guys. Okay, you can simply just curl the ends. And I like doing it with a comb only because it makes the curl a lot smoother. And then I just go back in, curl it again. And I'm gonna do that throughout my entire head, and then I'll be back, okay? Y'all, so like I've been doing in most of my heatless style videos, I'm just gonna give you like a brief synopsis on how I feel about this hairstyle and what I think worked and didn't work for me. So as you can see, there's a little bit of frizz. Now part of that is my fault because I did just come from being out and I was running late, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it when I come back. So I kind of wore it out a little bit, but part of that frizz is actually because of the curl on the bottom. And what I didn't like about that is the fact that when you tear that curl pattern, okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what the curl pattern looks like when it's like not that bad when you tear it out, but for some of it, it turned out pretty frizzy. Do you see that? And that I didn't really like, and I guess I need to like perfect that. This is my first time doing a braid and curl, but I'm thinking I'll do a braid and curl again, but instead of doing a finger curl on the bottom, I'll use a perm rod to do that curl and see if it comes out better, because perm rods are usually really nice to separate. And I'll see if that comes out better. So apart from the frizz, there's still like definition, you can see that, and I really like that about it. So that's pretty much my only complaint. And my hair's not dry. Like, the product that I use really kept my hair moisturized, so I'm really appreciative and I really like that about it. So to be honest, overall I'd give it maybe an 8, a 6 or an 8. I think that it can be perfected, but I'm not feeling the finger coil braid and curl, so I'm gonna try doing the braid and curl with a perm rod instead, so you can look out for that. And when I do that video, I'll put it and link it somewhere up here and somewhere down below in the description. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I still think this is cute because I wore it to go out, so clearly I don't care, and clearly I think it's cute. But if you do give this hairstyle a try, tell me how it turned out for you. I'd love to see pictures and anything like that. But today, that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate y'all. You're a family, so don't hesitate to comment down below and reach out to me on Instagram. I'd love to hear from you. So if this is your first time, you know what to do. Just subscribe to the family. Subscribe to the family and hit that notification bell so that you're noted or you're notified every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.